Hi guys, today I'm going to be recommending bright fabrics to use for summer. When it comes to summer, you'd want to go for something lightweight, breathable and comfortable. So I'm going to be recommending these 4 fabrics to you. First, we have cotton. It's a classic summer choice, perfect for t-shirts, dresses and shorts. It's very soft and a great option for hot summer days. We have linen. It is very natural. It's a natural temperature regulator. It keeps you cool in the summer. Then we have silk. It is very smooth, lustrous, and is perfect for dressing up or down. It has natural protein fibers and makes it breathable. And for the ultimate, we have mesh. Mesh is very perfect. It has maximum airflow holes and it's just perfect for summer. So remember, when it comes to summer, fashion is all about staying cool and comfortable. Choose fabrics that allow you to breathe, move freely and enjoy the sunshine. Bye guys.